Okay, so for our craft today, we are going to do a 4-leaf clover. I've already started cutting out the template so you can see it. Hopefully you've listened to the story, Leprechaun on the Loose. And now we're going to make a 4-leaf clover sun catcher. So Mom can help you draw a 4-leaf clover. There's lots of templates online that you can find. You can use black construction paper or green. I chose black so that it'll show up better. So here's my example of a 4-leaf clover. So we just kind of cut the template out like that so we have a frame. And then we need a coffee filter or a paper towel or a napkin. Coffee filter is best, but I know not everybody has access to a coffee filter necessarily, but everybody should have a plain white napkin or paper towel, some water in a squirt bottle, and markers. And you can use whatever color markers you want. I'm going to make a rainbow because leprechauns are found by legend, according to legend and stories, at the end of a rainbow. So on your napkin or your coffee filter, you're just going to color. You can scribble like this. Everybody knows that Miss Rohr does not like scribble scrabble when we're coloring, but scribble scrabble is okay for this. Red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. I don't have a purple marker, which is very sad because purple is my favorite color, but I couldn't find a purple one, so our rainbow is going to end with blue and not purple, which is okay. And you can do the same on a paper towel. Now, you don't have to scribble scrabble. You can, if you want, draw a picture if you want to, although it's not going to look like that when we're done, because the next step is to take your water bottle and get your napkin or your paper towel or your coffee filter wet. So we're going to spritz it, and as it gets wet, the colors are going to blend in together. As you can see, they're starting to blend. See that? Now watch what happens when we do it with the smiley face. There it goes. So any pictures that you draw, just know that they're gonna end up blending in together. But here we have our rainbow. Obviously then we need to let this dry. So we let it dry, but here's a tip. I just tossed it in the dryer for not even a minute, I don't think, and it was dry. Look. Okay, so then we're gonna take our frame and we're going to use our handy dandy glue stick, which we love in Ms. Rohr's class. We play with our glue sticks a lot. Hopefully you have one at home. White glue will work, paste of any kind, and then we're gonna put it on here just like this. I have a piece of yarn here. If you don't have yarn, you can use string or thread or whatever you might have, or you don't have to use anything at all. You don't have to put a hanger on it, but we'll do that the easy way in a second. So once we have this on here like this, we're going to cut off the excess like so. Okay, we'll finish cutting all the excess off like that. And I'm I'm just gonna use a little piece of tape here to tape our hanger on the back. And we have a sun catcher, and I'm gonna show you how it works. And there we have our sun catcher. You can hang it in your window, and when the light comes through, you can see the pretty rainbow that you created.